Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, if I just try to upload my video through Discord itself, you will see that I am getting this pop-up which is saying that your files are too powerful and that's why I'm not able to upload them. So to solve this problem, just go and open your browser and type here IMGUR. Then this website will get open. We just need to click here, and once the website is open, here we need to click on new post, and in the new post you will see the option for choose a photo or video. So we are just going to upload a video right here. So this is the video I want to upload, so just select it. Once you select it, you will see two options. If you want to keep your audio, just click here. If you want to remove your audio, you can just click here. In my case, I'm going to keep my audio, so I'll just click here, and as you can see, my video is uploading, so we have to wait until my video get uploaded. Once your upload is finished, you will see the option for copy link. We just need to click here, and once you copy it, just open your Discord, and in the message bar we just need to hit Ctrl+V to paste the link which we have copied, and just hit enter. And yeah, you can see the Discord is converted or link into a video. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can upload your large files without Nitro on Discord. If I was a big help, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.